What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be reviewing variables in Java. So creating and filling variables is a powerful concept that allows us to keep track of all kinds of data in our program. In this lesson, we learned how to create and print different data types in Java, which you'll use as you create bigger and more complex programs. So these were covered in the previous videos. So if you want to learn more um, about these individual concepts, then I do recommend checking out the previous videos, but I'll briefly go through it here. We covered int, which stores whole numbers, double, which stores bigger whole numbers and decimal numbers, boolean, which only stores true and false, char, which stores a single characters using single quotes, string, which stores multiple characters using double quotes, and then static typing, which is one of the safety features of Java. Now, and also variable naming conventions. Practice declaring variables and assigning values to make sure you have a solid foundation for learning more complicated and exciting Java concepts. So here we go. The file myprofile.java contains a class that represents your hiring profile as a presented to potential employers. In the main method, create a variable called name that holds your name as a sequence of characters. Simply, we'll go in here, type in string name equals, we'll just type in code for now. Actually, Bob, you know what? Bob. All right. And then create a variable called age that holds your age as a whole number. So I'm 21, so int age equals 21. So notice how they don't give you the data types you're supposed to use, but use context clues to figure it out. For example, your name is typically a string, so it's always a string, and then your age is always going to be a whole number, and you can just use an int for that. Okay. Now create a variable called desired salary that holds your desired salary per year to a precision of 2 decimal points. Alright, so since we're using decimals, we can use double. Double desired salary equals, let's put 100K in here just to be safe. $100K. Alright, and then create a variable called gender that holds a single character. M for male, F for female, N for none, or O for other. So we're gonna put car gender equals M. Oh, remember we have to put the single quotes, otherwise it's gonna give me an error. Now, create a variable called looking for job that holds whether you're currently open to job offers. So we'll say boolean looking for job equals true, and let's run it. Perfect. All right, and then a bunch of ads. In the next video, we'll be learning how to manipulate variables. So until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.